Welcome back, smart buyers! Today on Buy Smart, we have an exciting face-off between two popular 3D printers, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M and the Creality Ender 3v3 SE. Get ready to find out which one suits your needs best. First, let's discuss the price. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M is priced at $399, which is a bit steep but offers a lot of features. Meanwhile, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is much more budget-friendly at $219. Reviewers appreciate the affordability of the Ender 3v3 SE, making it a great starter printer for those on a budget. When it comes to speed, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M can reach a maximum speed of 600 millimeters per second, making it one of the fastest in its class. On the other hand, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE tops out at 250 millimeters per second. Reviewers of the Adventurer 5M love its speed, especially for high-volume projects, while Ender 3v3 SE users find it adequate but not exceptional for quick prints. Print quality is crucial. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M features vibration compensation for smooth, no-blur prints. Reviewers highlight its precision and reliability. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE, with its dual Z-axis and Y-axis linear shafts, also promises high precision and stability. Both printers are praised for their print quality, but the Adventurer 5M's vibration compensation gives it a slight edge. Ease of use can make or break your 3D printing experience. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M boasts full auto one-click leveling, which users find extremely convenient. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE features CR Touch auto leveling and a strain sensor for auto Z-dot offset, which also gets good marks from reviewers. However, the one-click leveling of the Adventurer 5M is often highlighted as a standout feature. Now, let's talk features. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M includes a filament runout sensor and power loss recovery, which users love for added reliability. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE offers automatic filament loading and unloading, which reviewers find very convenient. Both printers have great features, but the Adventurer 5M's power loss recovery is often highlighted as a lifesaver. According to Amazon reviews, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M is praised for its speed, precision, and user-friendly features, making it a solid choice for both beginners and experts. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE is lauded for its affordability, ease of use, and reliability, although some users report issues with auto-leveling and extrusion. So, there you have it. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M is perfect for those who need speed and advanced features, while the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is ideal for budget-conscious users looking for reliability. Which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Product links are in the description. Happy printing!